Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and I'm at the St. Clemente outlet for the South OC Cars and Coffee. The show has just started, and the cars are still coming in, so let's go check it out. And I can see quite a lineup for coffee right now. Cars and Coffee merchandise tent, and I think they're filming something too for McGuire's as well. Okay, we'll start our coverage here at Supercar Row, beginning with Simon's Camaro. And then I see here, this is James's Audi R8. And then we have a beautiful black Ferrari F8 Tributo, followed by a red Ferrari Tributo. And another red Ferrari Tributo. And then a Tributo Spider. Wow. So that's a lot of Ferraris in a row. And then these are the cars of Share. They have a Corvette convertible here that if you want, you can rent. And if you have a hot car you want to make some money from, you can use Share app and rent out your car and make some money as well. All right. Need some motivation? Check out the OC Motivator. I noticed the mini-me on the dash there. 992 Turbo. Another Audi R8. CT3. Italia. And check out this i8 here. Looks like it is to go on some kind of cannonball run. Ferrari, Porsches, GT3 with the Canars, Huracan Evo. Check out those Evo seats there. .458 Italia. Viper, a green Lamborghini Urus. Yeah, this is what Lamborghini is all about nowadays. Not the sports car, it's the SUV. This Urus represents over half of Lamborghini sales. Ferrari F12. Oh, look at this, a vintage 930 Turbo on with the whale tail. Audi R8.
All right, I'll get the wing.
Another GT3, that's an RS. And this is a new GT3, the 992 version, the latest one. A Aventador SVJ. Very nice with the stripes and all the little decorations on there. And the giant Lamborghini badge. Check that out. Another Aventador. Another 992 GT3. Convertible 911, and this we just saw coming in. There's an Aventador SVJ with a crazy wrap. Wow, looks like a combination of desert and space. And a 600 LT McLaren. Bit of a traffic jam here. Very busy day today. It's a beautiful day too. Not a cloud in the sky. Check out this wide body kit on the C8 Corvette. Wow. That's pretty nuts. And look how deep the wheel is. Now that's what I call a deep lip wheel. And speaking of wide body kit, here's a wide body kit on the C7 Corvette. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Porsche Taycan, the electric Porsche. Four-wheel Lotus Can-Am 7, which is like a kit car. Meet the three-wheel Vanderhaal. With this here is registered as a motorcycle because it's 3-wheel, and this is registered as a car. But I think this Can-Am is actually smaller than this thing. Classic bathtub Porsche. Cool. Next to a C7 Corvette. This little Fiat redefines what a tiny car is. I mean, it's like a toy. I bet you I could flip it over on its head all by myself. Stealth wrap AMG sedan, and check out that colorful interior. Wow, that is colorful. Looks like a classic vintage Corvette until you get to the back. First thing you notice is the size of those wheels. All right, so check it out from the back. Check it out. Check it out. Is that nuts or what? Check out this C8 Corvette. Made to look like the upcoming Z06. It's got a whole bunch of additions, with the big wing being the most prominent. Got the side canards. Yeah, that's really cool. Nicely done. It's like Corvette Row right here. C8 stock wheels. C8 HRE wheels. C5 Z06 Corvette. This was a hardtop. You can't take the roof off. And check out that motor. Normally it made 405 horsepower, but they added a Synfix supercharger to it, as well as a big intercooler. So it's probably packing a lot more power than stock.
Okay. It had an oil leak in the front cover. Yeah.
Man, I haven't seen one of these things in forever. And check it out. The Crossfire 4-barrel carburetor setup. 8 barrels total. Yeah, this was a 420 stroker motor, if I recall. Now, this is a restore project. I can't wait until it's all finished and looking like new again. Wow. Check out the fins. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This pickup could star in the sequels for Cars. He'll be the new Mailers. Love it. Okay, I would say he needs an alignment, but this is actually how it runs. Old Bronco, meet the new Bronco. Can you tell the family resemblance? Here's the Porsche Taycan Cross Turismo, also 100% electric vehicle. I have no idea what this is, but it is super cool. Yeah, I think it's an old school bus. Nothing separates a man from his Corvette and his dog. This BMW motor is a study in packaging. I mean, there is like no room in this motor for anything. So you can see how the package is arranged to be as tight as possible. So like the intercooler is right there and the turbo is down there. You can't see a thing, but yeah, it's turbo, intercool, and not one spare space available. By comparison, look how much room is available in this Honda Civic. Yeah, so you can see the turbo, you can see the intercooler, everything is visible and still lots of space left. 992 turbo with a Tech Art body kit. Yeah, nice. 911, 992 turbo with no body kit. There you go. Huracan, AMG GT, GT3, Supercar Garage, another Lamborghini, 458 Italia. I see an Audi R8, another Lamborghini, a Murcielago, a Ferrari, and then over here coming up, a Ferrari SF90. SF90, wow. 960 horsepower total. This one's got the optional carbon fiber wheels. Yeah, that's made by a company in Australia called Carbon Revolution. Yeah, they make the wheel for the Ford GT, the Corvette Z06. They also make it for Ferrari. And the price range from, well, depends on who you buy it from. They're basically the same wheel, but if you get it in the Mustang, for example, it'll cost you about $20,000. You buy the same carbon fiber wheel from Ferrari, it'll cost you 60 grand. Yeah, we call it the Ferrari Tax. Man, this Model 3 keeps getting more and more mods. Clearly you can see the latest mod, the Lambo doors. Yeah, slam to the ground. There you see the air compressor. There you see the GT3 front splitter, canards, carbon fiber wheels, Lambo doors. Oh my God. Yeah, and check out the interior. It's got the yoke steering wheel, tilt screen, lots of carbon everywhere. Yeah, pretty crazy. Ferrari, Porsche, and two more Lamborghinis. SVJ, another SVJ Spider, very nice. And the motorcycles, which it's not as far as before. Last time motorcycle went audio down here, but it looks like motorcycles are tapering down. But still a good selection, I see. And then that's the rest of the lot. Yeah. All right, so this is South OC Cars and Coffee. It happens every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. If you are in the Orange County area, you should definitely come check it out if you're a car enthusiast. This is John Chow from JohnChow.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.